Hey, what's up? Welcome back to another video on the View into Huck's World. And yes, the weekend is officially here. I don't know what you all got going on for the day, but whatever you all do, enjoy, have fun, and most of all, be safe. Now, today we got an awesome watch face for you all to check out, so don't sleep on this one. And this one is coming from JMO, and JMO always does good work on watch faces, so make sure you check out his page. I'm quite sure you'll find something you'll like. Now, this watch face is going to suit all attire, whether you're dressing up, super casual, and or dressing down. Now, I know many of you all are like, where are my steps at? Don't worry about it. JMO has you covered. I know you want to know how, but we're going to bypass the AOD mode for right now, and it's kind of going to tie into the watch face overall. But let's look at the watch face right now and the detailing of it. First of all, the index screams premium all day long. It stands out. It blends in with the black beautifully. I really like the detailing of that. The hands are nice and premium as well, and the smooth second hand just ties everything together for me. And this watch face is also going to be an energy saving watch face because of the black background. So if you have issues with your Gears 3 like I do, listen, you should make it through a whole day with no problem. Now, for the surprise, this is pretty much like a hybrid watch face, right? So if I double tap in the middle, I can bring up my step status info, and it's located down here. You're gonna get the day of the week, your date, your month, and you're also gonna get your battery percentage. And he threw in a little man that's gonna show you somewhat of your vitals. I thought this was definitely a nice touch, something different that I have not seen out of a watch face before. So I gotta give this guy 3 thumbs up for this one. Elegance versus casual. Very nice. All right, you all, hit me in the comment section down below. I would like to know your thoughts on this one. Are you going to download this free watch face, or are you going to leave it right where it's at? All right, you all, that's going to be it for the video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it was informative. And if it was, please make sure you hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like this, then by all means, make sure you subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you all again at the next video. Take care.